don't want to add solar panels to your vehicle permanently, another solution or an option is to buy something that's portable. And Dokio has this 80 watt, they have 100 watt, and I think they have a 120 watt. They have larger ones. But I just got me a smaller 80 watt in case I want to park in the shade. And with this one, believe it or not, you do not have to have a battery to charge something. At least with the smaller things, you just can hook them up and put this in the sun and it will automatically charge your devices. So I just want to throw that out there. So here's how I do it for my portable setup. If I want to park under a tree and I can get the sun at an angle, then I add it on with these suction cups. And this one brand comes with the clips. You have the clips, or you can use carabiners. I have carabiners too. It depends on where I put it, whether I'm going to use the carabiners. And so this is only 50 watts, up to 18 volts. Okay, so I have these connectors, you know, 2 into 1, and then when I use these portable ones, I can just add it to my system array. And I already have some up on top, and I just plug in, so I can just add it, and I can add this one also down here. And so that's what I do. So if you guys are interested in going the portable route, I'm going to put links down below. If you're interested, I'm just showing you guys another way of doing it. I know I've heard some comments of people don't want to permanently attach panels to their vehicle, to their van, and some of them don't even want to use Velcro. So you can do it this way if you want. So yeah, and then you know, you can purchase a 35 amp hour little battery. If you don't want a fridge, that's enough to run a fan all night. So if you don't want to do the fridge thing and you just want to get a fan, that will work. Get yourself a 50 watt solar panel and get yourself a 35 amp hour battery. You know, maybe you can do that. I mean, I got this particular one on sale from Moohoo for $60. Now, that's rare to find, but I got it for 60 bucks. And I bought my 35 amp hour battery for, I think, 65. So, you know, $120, $130, and you have a small little system going for yourself, a battery and a solar panel. And if you buy the Moohoo one, or the Dokio I should say, I don't know how to pronounce that, if it's Dokio or Dokio, or if you get this one, they give you a solar controller also, and a couple of connections. So all you would just need is buy the battery. And with the Dokio, you can charge small devices just out in the sun. I've tested it, and it worked. I hooked up a tablet and it charged my tablet. It didn't take that long, so pretty good.